Hello, hello, hello. I am Alana,
Good evening. I'm Jalicia.
and we are Digital Greenbook. So today we are going to go over Klima Dao. It is one of the high yield APY projects that are available out there. There's multiple of them available out there, but you're gonna have to hit us up personally if you want to get more details and information about other projects that are high yield. This particular project, you can stake it on a website using the Polygon mainnet. This means that the fees are way cheaper than using Ethereum. And we're going to use our good old handy dandy MetaMask. Are you excited, girl? I'm excited.
Hey, let's get it.
Okay, so there we go. We are going to switch on over here to CoinGecko for a moment, and we're going to talk about just some of the metrics about Klima Dao. This is a really great project. You can come here and check all the infographics on Klima Dao on CoinGecko.com. This is one of the research websites that we absolutely love. In addition to actually getting its legitimate contract code and seeing what wallet supports it, you can come and find all of their official websites over here. So we're going to be using this again in just a couple of minutes. So another project that we're going to be using to be able to stake Klima Dao is Polygon. You may have heard about Polygon. It's been rebranded a few times. So most recently it's been called Matic. It was originally just called Polygon, but this is available on both the Polygon network and the Ethereum network, in case you're wondering about that. We've done a video in the past showing you how to get into other projects using this project. So we're going to use it again today in front of you, just so you can get more comfortable with it. So a good place to grab Polygon is over here on KuCoin. I'm not recommending KuCoin or anything like that. This is just what I use. There are tons of websites where you can go use Polygon. In fact, on CoinGecko, if you want to figure out where to use it, you can scroll on down here to markets. And then you can choose any of these exchanges to come get Matic off of any of them. I just personally like KuCoin. So you're going to come on over here to KuCoin, and you can import some Bitcoin into KuCoin and swap for Matic right here. The trick to this is when you are pulling the Matic out, which is why I love KuCoin so much, you get a choice of which network you want to use. So here I've selected the Matic network because when you're using the Polygon network, and Polygon and Matic, those words are interchangeable, right? If we were using the ERC20 network, that's Ethereum's network, that means you would be subject to those gas fees. That would make the transaction very expensive and not really favorable right now. So now that we're able to use the Polygon Matic network, it cuts down by hundreds of dollars. So all you would simply do is come up here to your MetaMask, which if you don't know where to get that, that's metamask.io, and you would copy your account number up here. You would paste it right here into the wallet address, and then you would send it off to that address. I already have some in here to use as an example for you. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to get Klima Dao now. So this is SushiSwap. This is an exchange website. This is where you can come and swap one token for another, just like Uniswap or any other swapping websites. We tend to like SushiSwap, Uniswap, 1inch. You've had pretty favorable experiences on here, Jalicia?
Yes, I would say so.
That's awesome. So all you would simply do when you come here, up here, this button will say connect wallet, and you'll connect your MetaMask. And make sure when you connect your MetaMask that it's on the correct network, because again, MetaMask allows you to use multiple different networks. So up here at the top, instead of using the Ethereum network, I came and used the Polygon network. When you first come to do this, it might prompt you to switch networks, just say yes. So since I have some Matic sitting in here, I'll do an example in front of you. While we're on the swap tab, you're going to swap Matic, and you're going to come select a token. Now, the best way that I recommend doing this is coming over to CoinGecko, typing in the project that you actually want and verifying that that's the one that you want, and then copying the contract code here. In addition to copying the contract code, just click on the little MetaMask face and it'll go ahead and add that correct contract code for you. You see, I already have some Klima in here, but this is what'll pop up when you click on that. So you just hit add token. Okay, so once you've added that token in, you'll be back on SushiSwap, and you can go ahead and paste that contract code right up there, and it'll pull the correct token up for you. So you can just go ahead and hit enter after you've entered that in, and it'll be sitting right here. So I'm going to swap my Polygon-based Matic over to Klima. So in this example, I'm just going to say, let's do 50 of them. Boom. And so as you can see, very minimal exchange rate, because say I was doing this, I did a couple examples earlier in my Exodus wallet, and it costs like between $40 and $60 to do it. But now on SushiSwap, it's a little less than 40 cents just to swap. So I'm gonna go ahead and swap. It gives you some details here about it. You can confirm the swap. Your little MetaMask pops up every time. If you have a pop-up blocker on, you might need to deactivate that when you're using certain swap websites, just so you can get notifications to complete your transactions. Okay, so it's telling me here that in order for me to swap, it's going to cost me a whopping 2 cents. If I was using the Ethereum network, this might be like $100 right now. Or what's Giveaway right now? I'm gonna go ahead and hit confirm so we can have that processing. But Giveaway right now is 125. So that might have been, to swap $100 might have been $70 or $80. So I'm glad it cost me 2 cents, y'all. Okay, and anytime you swap for a new token or coin, it's just gonna prompt you to say, add this to MetaMask, just in case you don't have it. This is what I was showing you earlier. I already have it in there, but I just add it again. It never hurts to always click it again just to make sure you have it in there. Add token, just so you can find it later. Okay, so my swap is complete. I see that I have some Klima now. So what I like to do personally to make sure I'm being safe is come back on over to CoinGecko and click on the official website from this actual page. So whoop. Here we are, girl. And have you had the opportunity to stake some Klima, girl?
Not yet. I'll probably be doing it tonight.
Boom, boom, boom. So when you first come to this website, you're going to hit app. That'll activate the app, right? And once you activate this app, you need to connect your wallet. This is just you connecting your MetaMask. Anytime you're doing DeFi plays, it'll always ask you to connect your wallet. So now my wallet's connected, and you can always verify that the first 4 and the last 4 or 3 are the same as this account number sitting up here at the top, and they match. So I'm going to go ahead and hit max because I want to stake my Klima. Why I might want to do that is because of the APY over here.
And that's the reason why we all here tonight.
So max, and then you hit stake. Now I just want to make the note that you always want to come and hit this again in case you're doing this for the first time. Look at that, 1 cent. Yes, please take my penny. Boom. When you first come and use this site, it might just say approve. That's just approving your wallet to do that interaction. But any subsequent Klima that you add to it, you can keep adding. It'll just ask you to confirm. So for me, I got a confirmation that says success. So now I see that my stake balance has gone up. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can come and interact with these different DeFi websites to stake a particular token and earn some of that high APY. Personally, I like to use ones that utilize MetaMask because any of the ones that are utilizing this wallet allows you to retain the private keys to your coin. So I prefer MetaMask. Anything you want to add?
Oh, that's beautiful.